Hello friends, today we are preparing a pastry for which I am absolutely sure that there are a million different recipes. However, you haven't seen this method of preparation yet, and the result is incomparable, so stay with us as we quickly go to the recipe. The first thing we do is pour 200 milliliters of warmed milk into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 cube of fresh yeast weighing 40 grams. Mix everything together and let it sit for about 10 minutes. During this time, we will place 250 grams of margarine in the freezer. We're not making croissant-style balls, we're making something else. In a mixing bowl, measure out approximately 500 grams of flour, so roughly half of 1 kilogram. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and mix everything. Add the activated yeast to the flour and salt. 300 milliliters of warm water. And about 70 milliliters of oil, reserving 30 milliliters of oil for later. And now mix everything. Gradually add more flour. And continue mixing. You can do all this by hand. Then add a little more. Now that the dough has become firm enough, knead it by hand. When we have almost kneaded the dough, we pour the reserved oil over it. Flip it over and knead a little more. I used 900 grams of flour in total. Turn the dough, shape it nicely into a round ball. Cover it with a cloth or plastic bag and leave it in a warm place to rise for an hour. In the meantime, quickly press the channel follow button and then the bell so that you receive regular updates whenever we make a new video. After an hour, when the dough has risen beautifully like this, take it out of the bowl. Just press it down with your hand. Sprinkle more flour. And now roll it out. Just roughly. Lift it a little to see if it sticks. When you make it like this, a square or rectangle shape, the shape itself is not crucial. Then grate all this. Cube of margarine. After grating all the margarine, roll up the dough. Gather it like this. Feel free to press it down with your hand. Then cut the dough. Cut it into 5 pieces. Each of these pieces, flip it over and press it down with your hand. Roll each of these pieces of dough into a circle. Then cut them into triangles. Now you can make more or fewer, your choice. Fill them with absolutely anything you like. Arrange them on a greased or lined baking sheet. Let the rolled up crescent rolls rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, beat 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon of milk. And now brush the crescent rolls with this mixture. When you finish brushing, sprinkle each one with seeds of your choice. You can add them or not. I always add sesame seeds and coarse sea salt. When this is done, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and place them in the oven. From this quantity, you will get 2 baking trays. The crescent rolls are baked. We bake them for 25 to 30 minutes, depending on how crispy you like them. I'll leave them for just 5 minutes to cool down a little, and I'll show you how fantastic they are. You don't need to brush these crescent rolls with anything once they're baked. You don't need to wait for them to cool down. You don't need to do anything. This is a recipe I definitely won't change. It's so soft and lovely, even when hot. My family is already shouting, asking when they'll be ready. Each of these crescent rolls is beautiful.